here some pictures. All you need to do is look and observe the pictures and then tell me what did you notice from the pictures. Okay, so please take a look, everyone. Okay, so from the picture flashed in the TV class, what did you notice? Yes, apple. Yes, very good. No, as we can see, night one, I sang, then edit tayo, then itatang then there is a biggest picture is nakulimtihan ang bata. So, based on the picture class, what do you think is our lesson for today? So, unsa ang lesson karong adlaw class? Yes, Leonard? Okay, great idea. So, our lesson for today is all about, please read everybody, conductors of heat and electricity. So, we will tackle about conductors of heat and electricity. So, after the discussion, I want you to identify some materials that are good conductor of heat and electricity. And also, I want you to explain why some materials are good conductors of heat and electricity. Do you understand, class? Okay, great. Now, let's talk first about heat. So what is heat? Please read, everybody. Heat is a type of energy that makes things feel warm. So ang heat daw po ng class, kayo sa siya na type sa enerhiya o energy na naghatag na o kainit. So, kinsa may ang makahatag examples sa heat? Yes, Dylan? Very good. For example, you're holding a cup of hot coffee. So, di ba, pag nagulit ka na init na coffee, it gives us heat, or it gives us the feeling of warm. So, that is an example of heat. Another example is fire. It gives us also init feeling. Next is, let's talk about electricity. So, what's the electricity? Please read, everybody. Electricity is a special kind of energy that can make things work. It's like a flow of tiny particles called electrons. So, some good conductors of electricity. So, metals are also good conductors of electricity. It's because metals are the most common conductors of electricity. Copper and aluminum are widely used in electrical wiring because they allow the flow of electric current with minimal resistance. So the metals class is one of the best conductors of electricity. It's because it allows the flow of electric current without minimal resistance. So another example is carbon. Carbon are also lightly good conductors of heat and graphite, as well as some electricity, good conductor to graphite. Okay, and then it makes the electrons flow easily. Pre-round electrons na maka-flow ng good conductors lang sa heat and electricity. Now, some liquids are also not even liquids but gas na good conductors sa electricity. Ang examples is salt water or mga acids. It conducts electricity due to the presence of ions in that solution. So, iba-iba ang liquids na good conductors sa electricity are salt water, kanang mga acid, kanang mga lemon juice, kanang pwede sa oil, ang mga good conductors sa electricity na liquid. Now, class, to fully understand our lesson for today, to test if you really understand our lesson for today, let's have a short activity. So, what you need to do is identify if it is if it is a good conductor of heat or it is a good conductor of electricity or both of if the picture are both a good conductor of heat and electricity. So number one, kung saan may nakita niyo sa number one? What is this? Yes, apple? Yes, it is an example of a nail. Si nails, baka ang lansang. So, ang lansang po class is good conductor siya sa yes, Stephanie? Very good. Ang lansang is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, mas dali na makamove ang electrons because the nails are metals. Next, gusto ba nakita niyo sa spoon? Very good. A spoon. So, a spoon is a good conductor of yes, Tara. Very good. A good conductor of heat and electricity. Also, it's because it is metal. Next, diamond. So, diamond is a good conductor of yes, rupa. Very good. A diamond is a good conductor of heat. Next, what is this? Yes, it is a seawater or salt water. It means dagat. So, ang dagat na class, asa ba na siya? Good conductor of heat or electricity? Yes, Ella? Very good. It is a good example of good conductor of electricity. Due to the presence of ions in the solution. Next, pencil. So, dito, portion sa tinawag ani, discuss na siya a while ago. So, yes, very good. It is a graphite, example of graphite. So, graphite na class is a good conductor of, asa mo siya kay tabi mo, a good conductor of, yes, Dazzle. Very good. A good conductor of heat and electricity. Next. So now, class, before we, it's really, I observed now you really understood our lesson. So now, what was our topic again? Yes, Apple J. Very good. So our topic is all about good conductors of heat and electricity. So what is heat, class? Who can give me the definition of heat? Yes, Rupame? Oh, we're very good. So heat are the type of energy that makes us feel warm, that gives warmth like fire. Now, what is electricity? Yes, Richard? Very good. So electricity is a special energy that can make things work. So it makes the light bulb on because there is an electricity. Now, how about the conductors? What is a conductor? Okay, very good. Now, who can give me an example of electricity? An example of heat? Okay, very good. Fire, atomic, how about electricity? Yes, Richard. Very good. So now class, I will group you into two groups. So this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Group 1 will do some examples of good conductors of heat, and then group 2 will draw some examples of some materials that are good conductors of electricity. Okay, do you understand class? Okay, let's start. So this is the rubrics. Okay, good job guys. Let's give a round of applause to everyone because you did a great job. So now let's get a one sheet of paper and answer this. Direction. Write true if the statement is correct and write false if the statement is wrong. Okay, number 1. A conductor is a substance that does not allow heat to pass through. Number 2. Metal is not a good conductor of heat and electricity. Is it true or false? Number 3. Water is a good conductor of heat. Number 4. Kitchen utensils that are made of iron are good conductors. Is it true or false? Number 5. Heat and electricity are not important in our daily lives. Are you done, class? Okay, pass your papers. Now for your assignment, find some materials in your house that are good conductors of heat and electricity and save